This is Central Valley Labels. We've been in business for about 25 years, and our main product is agricultural labels. We have the Phoseon LED lamps on both our P3 and our P4s. Before we had the Phoseon LED lamps, we were spending close to $40,000 to $50,000 a year on our UV bulbs for our 10-inch press. The second Phoseon came in with their LED system, that expense was gone. And it's also healthier for the employees. You're not smelling the fumes and breathing in the particulates that you had with UV bulbs. As you can see, the lamps are on right now. When we were UV, it was issue after issue after issues. Once I saw how fast we were able to run, that became the major selling point. Before, when we were running UV bulbs, we were averaging maybe 15,000 count an hour. Once we got the Phoseon LED lamps in, we've upped that to 25 to 28,000 count an hour. I mean, 600, 750 feet a minute, that's unheard of. We don't have to do a night shift anymore. As a production supervisor, it makes my life so much easier. All the parts that you will need to fix are in the back of the press. With Phoseon LED, it is one small box, being able to do 20 or 30,000 hours before I have to worry about maintenance or changing out a light. With Phoseon, there's no headache, there's no worry. It's not uncommon that we'll sit there and we'll run 2 to 3 million labels a day on both of our Mark Andy presses. It also cuts down on the amount of heat that you are putting towards your substrate. There's no adjustments that you have to do with the lamps. My ink's drying. That's the key, especially with us, where we're switching from thermal transfer semi-gloss, which is a paper, to a BOP. It's very, very easy if you're putting off too much heat that you're gonna burn that substrate. Time saved is money earned, but that's just not the bottom line. It's more of making it an easier environment for our employees to work. Less headaches equals less mistakes, which equals better quality product in the end. And that's what Phoseon LED lamps helps us do, is it helps us get the best quality to our end customers. You have to keep up with the technology. If you don't, you are going to fall way behind the curve. The one thing that I've always been able to count on from day one has been Phoseon LEDs. They sell an excellent product. Reliability is second to none. They set the bar very, very high. It's the one thing when I come into work, it's always gonna turn on and I'm never going to have to worry about it.